Hello students, my name is Arjun. I will be your maths faculty in Creative Circle, Thawal branch. So today this video is about SSC GD 2026. SSC GD 2026 की एग्जाम सी SSC ना each and every year conduct होने to candidates for interested in paramilitary force. So first of all let's discuss what is paramilitary force. So paramilitary force is different from our conventional force. For example, Indian Army, Indian Navy, Indian Air Force aduna taba khoigi paramilitary force aina India gi force kara laibne aduda chahi khudingi candidates kauna ba exam ma conduct tawne, that is SSC GD. So let's see this year vacancy kya laibno. So this is the chart, official chart ne see, but remember this is tentative. So what is tentative? It will change, compulsory it will change. Hayeng vacancy adum yamakani. Now this year one good news ayamba students in napamnava, candidates in napamnava force sikaramno CISF. Each and every year CISF ki cutoff na khadi wangne. Yes, SSF ki cutoff na wangne, but most of the students prefer CISF. And the good news is this year CISF ki vacancy na khadi yang 13,135. Similarly for female it is 1,460. So overall vacancy kya no? For male it is 23,467. For female it is 2,020, which is a good news. And again I am saying it is tentative. Vacancy hengalakani. Total vacancy is 25,487. Trust me, it is more than enough. Next, age limit. So most of the time akhoi doubts what is the age limit? Basically age limit is 18 to 23 years. But there is a good news that for SC and ST 5 years relaxation, and for OBC it is 3 years. So even if you are 26 years old or getting 26 on 1, you can apply for this exam. For your reference, take this date of birth. If your date of birth is between these two dates, no exam tha yani 2/1/2003 and 1/1/2008. No ki date of birth to C ani chi marak ka lega duba. And sidigi 3 years relaxation for OBC, 5 years relaxation for SC and ST. Next, scheme of the examination. Examination ki scheme kamainoni. So total there will be 80 questions, each carrying 2 marks. So total marks will be into 2, 160 marks. Total exam 160 marks ki hoini. Reasoning 20 question 40 mark, GK GS 20 question 40 marks, elementary mathematics 20 question 40 marks, and English or Hindi, this is or Hindi 20 question again 40 mark. Total timing 1 hour. So kung amagi manungda 1 hour gi manungda you have to attempt how many questions? 20, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 80 questions within 1 hour. So what is the good news? Good news is, what is the qualification needed? Qualification is 10th pass. So it is doable. Doable question because 10th pass ki level ki question hum kare. Next, physical standard. Yeah, before applying the exam, one thing you have to keep in mind, male candidate ki height kya hoega duba 170 centimeter, female candidate should be of 157 centimeter. But in Manipur, for Manipur candidates, the height should be 162.5 centimeter minimum, and for female it is 152.5 centimeter minimum. So if you are thinking ki ai height si tha yagadra yaroitra, take this as the reference. Nangi height si 162.5 yauragadi, you are eligible for the exam. For female, if your height is 152.5, you are eligible for the exam. Okay? Next, yaur and khalla se adi matungda noigi physical test tawni. For male it will be 5 km in 24 minutes. For female 1.6 km in 8.5 minutes. Now I am telling you from my past experience, I natay angang sing tawgidda. Some students say ki 5 km in 24 minutes and some female 1.6 kilometer in 8.5 minutes. It is doable, it is very easy. But trust me, 5 kilometer in 24 minutes chain bada me like hoga ya hoga. Okay, so don't think that this is very easy. You have to keep your physical standards high. Next, cutoff and attempt. So let's discuss about cutoff and attempt. So this year around 60 phangami so merit list ta not in merit list, physical ki kahune 60 2025 ta I have seen students who have scored 60 marks been called for your physical. Okay, and in 2024 it was 69 marks. 2024 dana 69 marks. So in 160, out of 160, if you score say 65, out of 160 if you score 65, you will be called for physical, but you will never make to the merit list. CD marks in a merit list the yavrogor 60 65 70 75 no merit list the yavrogor. To be in the merit list you have to score above 90 ki mathak score tawdoga, then only you can say that I merit list the yavrogor. So why creative circle? This is where we come into play. Creative circle dakhoi na takad risi how to score the gettable mark to be in the merit list. Merit list ta lakna ba marks to kamai na phangani. So we have dedicated teachers for each and everything, but what is the difference here? Sida akoi na takad risi just question solve to bhakta natte. The main thing is 60 minutes. The main thing is this. Within 60 minutes you have to solve the question. Now trust me, each and every question tawdu natte. You have to do some questions so that 90 ki mathakta marks phangnaga. Now again there is one thing called normalization. Now what is normalization? Normalization means because exams in no magina tamna na shift me am da tora kadum na arrive shift aruba shift time lagne. For easy shift marks to masana hantarakani, and for difficult shift marks to masana hengalakani. So if you attempt for, let's say if you have attempted 90 questions, and there is a negative marking, yes, there is a negative marking also of 0.25 marks, negative marking of 0.25 marks. So let's say 90 question to ramme, and 90 out of 90 you have done correct. You have done 90 out of 90 questions correct, but you are in easy shift. Now easy shift yaar man khalas. So exam da you will be getting around 80 to 82 marks. Even if you have attempted 90 questions correct, you will be getting 80 to 82 marks only. And suppose, let's say if you have attempted 78 questions, 78 correct questions, and you are in hard shift, so after normalization you will be getting around 85. Okay, so aina adu taramme adu diye adu phangani haibdu nante, because it all depends on the normalization process. So what to do? How to be safe? Always remember how to be safe. Score above 100. How to be safe? Score above 100. Now tab kanda khalamuni 100 is too much, but trust me, in reasoning 20 out of 20 it can be done. In maths 20 out of 20 it can also be done. In English 10 marks, in GK GS 10 marks. So 20 20 40 50 60 60 into 2, this is 120 marks. This should be your target. This should be your target. This is our target to get you 120 marks. Moi 120 marks phanganab ne akhoi ge target si. And trust me, if you have attempted 120 marks, compulsory you will be in the merit list. So how will we get 120 marks? Again 60 minutes के एग्जाम में 80 क्वेश्चंस ने, you don't have to do 80 questions. You don't have to do 80 questions. What you have to do? मैथ्स की 20 क्वेश्चन ने, मैथ्स की 20 क्वेश्चंस ने, As I will be the faculty of maths, I will be talking about maths only. So maths की 20 question है, and most time taking question will be of maths only. 60 minutes तो पाई हमें time taking हो इधर सी maths में 60 minutes ही कम है ना. 20 minutes for reasoning, 30 minutes for maths, and last 10 minutes for English, GK GS. This is how you have to give the exam. This is what we are going to teach you. कि within 30 minutes कमाए ना question 20 complete तो होंगी. Within 20 minutes out of 20 कमाए ना पंगनी. And in 10 minutes I again said English की question तरह, GK GS की question तरह. Out of 40 just 20 questions you have to do. So there are some tricks of maths which we are going to teach you. For example, suppose if we say simple basic calculation, let's say basic calculation. If I give you a question, let's say 13 into 15. 13 into 15. So come on, 13 into 15 and exam the 13 into 15 and directly hanga go ye. But within the questions, चिकुंबा मरकता कैलकुलेशन अदुम यार अपने and trust me calculation the second अमम तंग save तो रगला करने अकोई ना 30 minutes तक pull up तो होगा मदरी से. So how 13 into 14, what is the trick? What is the number between 13 and 14? 13 and 15 sorry 14. 14 की स्क्वायर क्या नो 196 minus 1 answer is 195. This is what you have to do. This is what we are going to teach you. Okay. For example, suppose square root. Any number की square root कमाए ना पुथोक square कमाए ना पुथोक नहीं. Let's say 52 square. Simplification की question नहीं गुम गया होगा. If we are given 52 square question में कमाए ना 2 50 दिखी क्या हम हिंबा 2 की square 4 take 2 digits then again 50 से 50 दिखी 52 से 50 दिखी हम हिंबा 2 25 तो 2 plus थोड़ा क्या था ना. This is the answer. This is what we are going to teach you. So come join us at Creative Circle and be guaranteed about your success. Thank you.